Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we have a little nail haul, and these are just some nail products that I purchased like, I don't know, maybe 3 weeks ago or a month ago. I don't know, my cart was having a sale, so I'm like, let me just buy some stuff from there. And these things were like extremely inexpensive, so that's just why I'm like, let me just buy it, because these polishes were like $3. So I'm like, why not? I don't remember exactly how much everything was, but I'm like, let me just buy. I don't know, you know, like when you're a nail enthusiast, you just really enjoy buying things even if you don't need them. So the first thing that I want to start off with is one of their gel polishes. It is a ML, and this one is in Rosy. It also gives you some instructions towards the back in regards to how to use it and how to soak it off. So this is the packaging, and then it says the name right here, and this is the color. So I don't know, I thought it was a really pretty color, and that's why I got that. And then next I went ahead and got some other colors. Some of them came in boxes and some came in bubble wrap. So this one is called Lavender, pretty self-explanatory. Okay, next we have light pink. These colors are really pretty. I've been into like collecting gel polishes for some reason, and this one is yellow. That's what it's called. Oh, this is my type of yellow right here. This mustard yellow, love it, so pretty. And next we have, let me just do these first, and I will be doing some swatches just in case you guys are interested in looking at the colors. I don't know. So then next we have tea. Oh, this definitely reminds me of like a green tea. It's a gorgeous color, very pretty. Then we also get sky blue. And this is what sky blue looks like. I love these because they're also soft and they're pastels, so I really like that. Then we also have these. This one is called Heart of the Ocean. Oh wow, I love how it is filled with fine glitter. That is very pretty. And then I think we have another gel polish. So this is the last gel polish I have, and this one is called Cheeky. Oh wow, I'm obsessed with nudes. Like, I love these type of colors. I think they're so beautiful. And then we also have, I think this is a glittery top coat. Okay, I'm just put it on the bottom. So here we do have a glitter top coat. I like these, so I wanted to try out one from them. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is their glitter top coat, and this is in 10 ml, which is awesome. So far, let me just display the colors. I'm so sorry for all this noise. Like, I don't get it. Every time I film, it's when all the noise wants to just. So then I also got a I always say non, I don't know why. I got a no wipe top coat and a base coat, and they're each 10 ml. And I think this was like $6 for both. So like, come on, you just can't go wrong. Here it tells you how to apply it or something. And then we get them like this in this particular packaging. I wanted the square packaging, but that is okay. So this is what the no wipe top coat looks like. And then here is the base coat. that. And then we also have a polygel. This is a 30 ml. So this is what it looks like. This is the back. And then the color. This is what the color looks like. Very, very pretty. Honestly, trying to like include more polygel videos on my channel. So, and the thing is, I have so much polygel, so I'm actually gonna start using it to make videos. And then we also have another polygel. This one is so pretty. So it comes like that, and this one is 30 ml as well, and 923. And I just fell in love with this blue. Like, it's so pretty. So let me deep blue is. Yeah, I thought that was really pretty, and I love the packaging as well. Comes with some like instructions and stuff if you don't know how to use it. So far this is what I got. And then I also went ahead and I got like a polygel kit. I think it was a jelly one, because I don't think I have jelly polygel. And this packaging is super cute. So then you open it, and this is what you get. So you go and get a base coat, and this is 8 ml. And then you also go ahead and get a top coat. If I would have known this brought all this, I wouldn't have brought the other one, but you can never have enough. Then we also have some slip solution, and that's a 2-in-1 formula. So it's a nail surface cleanser and also a slip solution. So that's cool. And then we get some polygels, and they're all 15 ml. So yeah, I thought this was nice. I actually want the gel polishes next. So this is what it looks like. It's like jelly. It's hard to kind of see the yellow one, but you can kind of see what it would look like, what it looks like. Yep. So, and then we have this one. I'm not gonna show it just because then it gets stuck to my door. We have a purple one. I want to see how this one looks. So you can't really tell unless you swatch this. So that's fine. Then we also get this really pretty one, like a teal, along with another like coral one. And then I don't know if I showed this one. It's like a light blue. Then underneath you have a 180 file, some gold forms, instruction guide right here, pictures and all. You know, I've never read instructions off of anything. Like, I don't know if other people are like that, but I either go on YouTube and watch a video, or I just figure it out myself, but I never read instructions. Let me know if you guys are the same. And then we also have a brush and picker. So on one side we have the brush, on the other side we have the picker or spatula. And I like how cute this design is on here. Very cute. So yeah, that is pretty much it for like the haul portion of the video. So you know, it's like this with those things that you guys are seeing there. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that kit aside because I want to show you what these gel polishes would look like swatched. Okay, so unfortunately my camera died, so the last 3 I did do off camera. I didn't notice I had, like, my phone was dying. So far these are some of the colors. Well, actually all the colors that I got. So we have these really pretty ones here. And this is just one coat, by the way. And then here, the one in the middle is the glitter top coat. You guys could see a little bit better. So that is what that looks like. And then lastly we have these. They're all the colors that I purchased. They're really cute. And by the way, I got all these for $3, and I don't really quite remember how much the top coat was, but they were having a sale, so I just went ahead and purchased.
As a subscription, I'll be swatching this one.
Just to show you. They're really beautiful blues that I thought I could make like a really nice look with this. But they're really pretty. So that is what that looks like. So that is pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next upload.